In the early 1900s, explorer Ernest Shackleton set out on a daring mission to cross Antarctica. But disaster struck. His ship, the Endurance, got trapped and crushed by ice. Imagine being stranded in one of the harshest places on Earth, with no modern equipment, no GPS, and limited supplies. Most crews would have perished. But Shackleton did something extraordinary. He navigated, not just the ice and sea, but the emotions, fears, and hopes of his crew. Over nearly 2 years, through freezing cold and impossible odds, he led every single man back to safety. Not one life was lost. Shackleton proved the law of navigation. True leaders don't just go through the journey, they chart the course so others can make it through too. So what does Maxwell mean by navigation? Steering is execution. Anyone can do it once the course is set. But charting the course is leadership. It means seeing the bigger picture before the journey begins. It means anticipating challenges others don't see and creating a clear plan so people know not just where they're going, but how they'll get there. Leaders are like navigators. They prepare, they predict, they plan, and then they take people through the unknown with confidence. Think about a startup founder. Anyone can run day-to-day tasks, send emails, build products, post on social media. But only a leader charts the long-term vision. Where will this company be in 5 years? What obstacles might we face? How do we position ourselves today for success tomorrow? If the leader fails to navigate, the team wastes energy. They row hard, but in circles. But if the leader charts the course well, even small steps move everyone closer to the destination. So how can you grow as a navigator? Here are 3 practical steps. First, look ahead. Don't just think about today. Ask, what's coming next month, next year, or 5 years from now? Second, plan for obstacles. Good navigators expect storms. Build margins of safety, time, resources, and backup plans. Third, communicate the course. Your team won't follow a vision they can't see. Share the map, not just the destination. Remember, people don't just need a driver. They need a navigator who can see the road ahead. So here's the big truth of the law of navigation. Leadership isn't just about moving forward. It's about moving forward in the right direction. Anyone can steer the ship, but only a leader can chart the course. That's law number 4 of leadership. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and join me next time as we explore law number 5, the law of addition, where leadership is all about serving others. See you soon.